Snow in the beard. Ow, what on earth? A goat? At 3 in the morning? You little rascal. Hey! Come back here! Oh, boy. You're kidding me. Hey, give it back. Whoa! Oh. Hey there, mate. Listen, I know it's cold, but I've got to bring you up to the door. You're the surprise. Little Charlie's going to flip when he sees you, all right? So no boxing tonight, okay? Good lad. Let's go.
Thanks, Panda.
Of course, Donkey. You're my best friend. I'll always help you.
Oh, Panda.
Okay, now.
Hey, everybody. I have a little something for you all. What
is it?
You are so special to me, and I'm thankful to have each of you with me every day. That's why I made a card for all of you.
Wait, didn't she say something about putting a potion up in the tower? Here, this must be it.